Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be trying the Whitening Lightning Dial a Smile Tooth Whitening Kit. I have actually tried their kits before a while ago, a few years ago, but I thought I've been drinking a lot of coffee lately and I have a lot of green tea and Earl Grey tea throughout the day. I have found my teeth has become a bit more yellow, so I did want to test it out again. This is the pen and kit combo and it retails for $49. So this particular kit comes with 3 complete professional treatments, which is going to help you whiten your teeth within 20 minutes. And so it says it's great for smokers, wine lovers, coffee drinkers, and teens that just got their braces off. It's painless and fast, so all sounds good. So it comes with a little paper shade dial, so you can kind of test out the level of whiteness your teeth is. And then it comes with 3 vitamin E cotton swabs and also 3 teeth wipes, and then 1 gel syringe, which is already infused with the whitening gel. So this is enough for at least 3 treatments. It comes with a little dispenser tub thing for the gel and then an applicator brush. And it comes with the Whitening Lightning Super Booster Gel Pen and then a handheld LED light. So, if I read the instructions. So what I'm meant to do is remove the battery cover in the little dispenser. Oh. Okay, reading instructions. Let's see. Yay, works. Okay. And then it says use the paper shade dial to determine your starting shade. Okay, so alright, 10. I can't really tell what color I am. They kind of all look similar. Okay, not a 3. So I would say I'm in between like a 8, a 7, maybe. Don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, these are definitely too yellow. I think I'm probably between a 7, 8, 9. Yeah, really up close and personal. Okay, so let's say we are starting with 7, 8, 9. So the next step is to break the seal on the syringe. And then it says to squirt 1.5 milliliters of gel into the dispenser tub. I keep saying tube. So here we go. 1.5. Okay. Is anything coming out? Okay, here we go. 1.5. It's a bit hard. Okay. So that's 1.5 milliliters of the gel in there. Cover that back up. I remember last time I used this first, the gel actually went everywhere once I started storing it, so it does get a bit messy, so something to be aware of. And then the next step is to use the wipes. So it comes with a little kind of finger glove thing. That it says use the blue side of one of the teeth wipes to dry all your teeth vigorously in a circular motion. So here we go. That was attractive. Okay, and then the next step is to break off the marked end of the cotton swab. And then that releases the vitamin E into the other end of the swab. And then it says to use the other end of the cotton swab to coat your gums and the inside of your lips. So here we go. And then it says to use the applicator brush and dip it into the gel and then generously coat your teeth.
So unfortunately, my camera battery actually died at this point. So basically what I did is turn on the LED light and place it between my teeth and my mouth. And now I just have to wait 20 minutes. And apparently this is what you do when you have 20 minutes to kill.
So that was 20 minutes. I have to say it was a very long 20 minutes. The whole process just felt very drooly. I felt the gel application was a bit messy, and there is a bit of a tingling sensation. Yeah, I just found it very messy. I think that's why I didn't really like using it the first time around. But yeah, my mouth feels very tired right now. But let's see what shade my teeth is now. Okay, so back to the shade dial thing. Don't know if you guys can see. So I would say I'm about like a 4, 5, maybe even a 3. So yeah, it did help whiten my teeth. I think what you're then meant to do is to use the Whitening Lightning Super Booster whitening pen for the next at least 2 weeks, and so that's going to help you whiten your teeth even further. So I'm going to try that tonight. Yeah, overall I am impressed. I'm very impressed with this kit. I have heard a lot of good reviews about it before, so I wasn't, and I have used it before, so I was expecting good results. So yeah, quite happy with it. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Bye.